Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your InDesign paragraph styles, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe InDesign and ensure your project is ready. Next, locate the paragraph styles panel from the Windows menu. If the panel is not visible, click on Window in the top menu, then select Styles, followed by Paragraph Styles. Once the panel is open, review the styles you want to create a backup. Go to the Paragraph Styles panel and click the hamburger menu in the upper right corner. Select Save Paragraph Styles. From the drop-down menu, choose a location on your computer to save the file. Rename the file to something memorable, like paragraph_styles_backup. Click Save to store your styles as an InDesign style file. To ensure your backup is complete, you may want to create a second copy in a different location. Now, let's learn how to restore your backed up styles. Open a new or existing InDesign document. Again, access the Paragraph Styles panel. Click the hamburger menu in the upper right corner of the panel. This time, select Load Paragraph Styles. From the drop-down menu, navigate to the location where you saved your backup file. Select your backup file and click Open. InDesign will prompt you with a Loaded Styles dialog box showing the styles available for it. Here, you can choose the styles you want to load or click OK to import all. Review the imported styles in the Paragraph Styles panel to ensure they are correctly loaded. You have successfully backed up and restored your InDesign paragraph styles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.